it's Victoria, and today I'm going to be cooking chicken marsala, and you guys are going to get to cook with me. Hopefully this does not become a big fail. And yeah, here we go. So first we are going to get the water boiling for the pasta so that it is ready and like we don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to get the pan and then pour some water. You could use filtered water, but I'm just going to use sink water because you're boiling it. It's going to be clean anyways, and it's going to take a really long time for me to put that other water in, so that's not good. Way full. So right now I have the water boiling. We have it on medium heat, and we're going to wait till that starts boiling. Then we're going to put the pasta in, which we are using. Not sponsored, guys. Obviously. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So we are going to wash the chicken because chicken is actually pretty gross if you think about it, and it's been sitting probably in a package we don't know how long. So I'm going to take the chicken that's right here, you can't see it, and put it on this plate that's right there. Yeah, we're just rinsing it out like soap and water because just common sense, guys. Come on. I bought mine already sliced, so I didn't have to cut it because I'm not that great at cutting. That is hot water. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Not smart. Sorry if you hear my siblings arguing right now. Sorry if you can't hear me right now. Like you see, like it's like red and something right there. Like that's kind of gross. Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to now take the chicken, say it like that, I don't know, it's right though, the chicken, and we're going to put salt and pepper on it, and then pound it, and then we should start getting ready with actually cooking it. So, here we go. Should take this piece right here, this big piece. Chicken, put it on there. I'm using Himalayan pink salt instead of regular salt because I find that this salt has more flavor. But you can use, oh my gosh, wow. You can use regular salt or any other salt that you like. This is sad. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. First things for this. That's some pure ground black pepper. Wow, I just put a lot of pepper in that one spot. Sorry if you do that, because hopefully it won't be that bad. Now I have a little cleaver, I think that's what it's called. and I will get back to you guys when I am done with that. Okay, so I'm heating up the pan, and then this pan I'm going to put water in, and then I'm going to make the beef stew that we're going to need. It's just beef broth, actually, not stew. What the hell am I saying? Ugh. I'm heating up the pan that we're going to use to make the chicken, and I'm heating this pan up with water to make the beef broth. Yeah, that's such a tongue twister in a way. So I'm going to get that started. So the water is boiling, it's steaming. I'm going to put the pasta in. I'm using half a box because there's only 4 of us tonight. So that is about half a box, and then if you look in the back, it's going to tell you how long based on how much you want it, and I would like mine tender. So you're going to put the timer for 12 minutes. I mean, no, 13 minutes for this. And that is good to go. This water is going to start to get hot. Oh, I was about to touch it, that's not a good idea. So I'm going to take this, which is the beef broth, and it says for every cup put a teaspoon. So I have 2 cups of water in there, so I'm putting 2 teaspoons. Just get this opened. That'd be great.
I did get to while watching her show. Hardest day I've ever put on.
I have it right here.
Oh, that's so hard. Controller. Who has my remote controller?
It is boiling, it is cooking, and now we are going to get this ready with the chicken. So I'm going to take some oil. Any oil is fine. I'm going to use canola oil. Make sure it's not too hot. Just put it down a little bit. Because I'm going to start taking my pieces of chicken. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of oil on. Not too much. You're going to take your chicken and you're going to dip it in flour, which is right over here. It's not, okay. I have the flour right here. Just going to dip it in. And then start.
My heart eating so fast.
Do a piece of chicken. Dip it in flour.
Oh my god! This is fire.
Don't do too much at one time because then you can't get this all ready. Okay, so the chicken is pretty much cooked for like the beginning part. I flipped it. I'm flipping it again now so that they don't get burnt. Like they're starting to get burnt kind of. That's not good. And while that is cooking a little bit, well, let's turn it on low so they're not pasta descended. So I'm going to take care of that. So the pasta is in there already. So I've added a little bit more of that because it's not what I wanted to be. So I'm going to add butter. Can opener, obviously, and put it in. So I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream, which is something that people usually don't do, but it thickens up the sauce. So. Alright, so now I'm going to put all the pieces in. I'm going to try to make everything fit. If you see me joking, it's because the pan is hot. Heat a little bit. Oh, you're going to take Marsala, if you want, and open it. So you're going to want to and then pour the Marsala on top. You're going to do it sizzle and just give it a second so that it does not burst into flames. I can put it. It's cooking the alcohol now, so you are going to pour it on. Here we go. Everything around and coat it. Do this with a fork, not a spoon. Don't be stupid. So much easier now.
You need more butter in there?
Looks good. Looks good.
And so it's not thickening up.
Maybe that's for the first time
Well, then you gotta put a little flour.
making something
More flour,
pretty
right?
good.
More flour.
Uh-oh, this is it's not good.
Oh no, I
A
know.
little bit. Because it's gonna get clumpy then. Alright, that's... Come on. Come on. Move for a minute.
You move my camera. It's recording. So right here, finished product. I'm gonna add more sauce in a minute, but that's what it looks like. And yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment below. I already said comment, but that's alright. Do it again. Bye guys.